In this session, let us look at the first way of handling the exceptions, and that is by using the throws keyword. We can create a throws declaration at the method level if a method is supposed to throw some exception, some type of exception. What I mean to say by that is, let us create a method we call ABC, for example, and let's use the same file input stream. And as we saw in the last session, we have this checked exception over here. And the two ways to handle it is either add a throws declaration or surround it with try catch. Now, the surrounding with try catch we'll see in the next session. And in this session, we'll look at this throws. What is this throws? Let's click on that. Let's see what happens. Now, when I'm clicking on the throws declaration, it is creating a throws at the method level. So it is declaring at the method level that the method ABC throws these type of exceptions. Now, it can be a file not found exception, or IO exception, or throwable. Now, what is this file? 4 of these, because in this particular case, if you look at the exception specifically, that is file not found exception. So we can say that it throws file not found exception and just move ahead. That is fine. But let's just take a look at other three. What are those? We remove it once, and let's go back to the quick fixes. And when I click on the throws declaration again, you see first is file not found, then IO exception. Now these are the parents. Now file not found has IO exception as parent, that's why it is there. Or IO exception has the super parent, or the super parent, that is throwable. So everything generates from the throwable as the super parent, the exception, the IO exception, and the more specific one, that is file not found exception. You can use any of these. So it's up to us to specify what type of exception we want to specify here, like either the specific one or a more generic one. It's up to us. So if I say IO exception, also it is fine. Now what does it say, and what is the significance of it is, whoever tries to use the method ABC, now for them also it is compulsory to handle this exception. Now in this case, inside the ABC, it is static here, so we can use it without creating the object. If I just call this ABC method over here. Now ABC also gets a compilation error with the same unhandled exception. Now inside the main method also it is saying that we have to handle the exception, and this is only because we have this throws declaration over here. Now if you take the cursor on ABC and add a throws declaration, now you don't see the file not found exception here anymore. It starts with IO and then the parent exception and then the parent throw. Now inside the main method, you can either handle it by using try catch, or you can again add another throws declaration. So this way we are at least communicating a message that the method which is throwing an exception specifies to the other method where it is used that is a warning and the exception might be thrown. So that is the significance of throws keyword. So at the end point, somewhere we can handle it by using try catch and add the mitigation steps. The significance of the throws keyword is to basically warn to the end user of the method that this method might throw this type of exception. So this is about the throws keyword, and in the next session we'll look at try catch block, where we can actually handle the exception. We can actually provide the steps to recover from an exception.